Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to change your password on Windows. If you want to change your password on Windows, then keep watching. For changing your password, you need to press on the keyboard Control with Alt with Delete. You should press this three key together. When you press this three key Control Alt with Delete, this page will appear for you. Here click on change password. Look, this page will appear for you. First, here you need to enter your old password, that password you used before. I want to enter my old password. It was my old password. Here you should enter your new password. I want to enter my new password. It is my new password. Again, here you should confirm your new password. These two passwords must be the same. It is my new password. They are the same. Again, click here. Look, here we have one arrow. Click here, submit. Here we have one message. Your password was changed. Yes or okay. Now, you successfully changed your password. If you want to restart your system, you should enter your new password. Now, I can log in with new password. It was my new password. We successfully changed our password. Guys, if this video is helpful, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good day. See you soon.